beautiful people, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you an elastic fondant recipe. In this recipe I used 1 kg of icing sugar. So are you in need of a recipe that calls for 1 kg icing sugar? This recipe is for you. It is tested and trusted, and it is also elastic. With this fondant recipe you can be able to cover your 8 inches cake. So guys, if this is a video you're interested in watching, please keep watching this video. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using for this fondant recipe. Here I have 1 kg icing sugar. I've already sieved my icing sugar. I'm using Susan products for this particular recipe. I have my powdered gelatin, I have powdered CMC, and I also have glucose syrup. This is Niela products. I'm also going to be using 3 tablespoons of water for this recipe. All the measurement I'm going to be using in this recipe, I'm going to leave them in the description box for easy access. So guys, here I have my vanilla clear flavor. Make sure you use a clear flavor if you're making your fondant, because if you use a colored flavor, it is going to affect the color of your fondant. So guys, I'm going to double boil this for just 5 minutes. Here we are, it is ready. Hello guys, as you can see, our fondant is ready. It is elastic. This fondant can be able to cover 8 inches 3 layers cake, and you will not have issues while covering your cake because this recipe is tested and trusted. Please do try out this recipe and let me know if you love it. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel because we have amazing recipes to share. If you have not joined this beautiful family, you are mixing a lot. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always be the first to get notified each time we post our new video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video to this point. I really do appreciate you for joining and tuning in into this channel. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.